Starting in 2 seconds.
Okay, this is mission 14, experiment number 2. We are once again running the Social 2 mobility script, which is the shorter of the two that we're going to be attempting to test today. And this is the first robot that just left. We're hopefully this time running AODV on all 3 robots and beaconing using Java port 55555 to attempt to get some multi-hop routing working. And Click is running in the background, recording context, passive context measurements from the robots. This first robot is Guinness. And right behind Guinness, here comes, looks like Wincoop, indeed. The mobility pattern basically goes down in between the second 2 sets of light poles, kind of does a few little U-turn runs, which hopefully will create a little ad hoc network, dynamic ad hoc network between the robots that happen to be on this side of the playing field. And then it moves in between the first 2 sets of light poles, does the same thing for a little while, and heads back to home base. Is the hope that these robots are connecting to each other intermittently over in this part. Okay, it looks like the third robot, which is Porterhouse, I believe, got a late start. And there's some crazy weaving going on with Guinness. What is it doing? Didn't do this the last time it did this mobility script. No, don't crash. Whew. That was close. And here comes Porterhouse. Just verify that real fast. Yep. Okay, a bit less of a collision hazard that time. Still not fantastic. One of the problems is that this robot is faster. Wincoop looks to be a little faster than Guinness right now. It's kind of catching up. That was another absurdly close call. It looks like Porterhouse is way out there by himself. Probably not connecting. I wonder if on a close approach to a waypoint, it wouldn't make sense for the robots to reduce their speed. Just in case there are collisions at the waypoints between robots, then the collisions wouldn't be so drastic because they'd all be moving really slow. we're in the second of the U-turn patterns on the first half of the playing field, in between the first two sets of light poles. And that's the end of the U-turn pattern right there. After that, it's going to head back to home base. Alright. And that is the end of the experiment. And here comes Border House. Trucking right along. That was longer than 1 second pause. What's going on here? Oh. That was mission 14, experiment number 2.